Hello, hello, my friends. I'm Mr. A, and welcome to KINDERMANIA. Today, I have a wonderful game for you because I'm going to show you some domino shapes and you need to set the correct number. Hoy tengo un juego maravilloso para ti. Te voy a mostrar algunas fichas de dominó y tienes que decirme qué número es. Are you ready? Let's go! One, four, five, six, zero, eight, nine, seven, 10, 12, 11, 2. Now, more challenge. 8. Good job. 9. 14. 17. 19. 24. Okay, good job. Are you ready for the next challenge? Let's do it. Hmm. 17. 14. 30. 28. 16. Good, 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 good job, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Kindermania. Bye bye.